I think railroading is just finding people in odd places. Hey guys, we are back at the railroad shop. It is back. Railroad shop vlogs are back. I've had some questions about it. It's been a crazy couple of months. So this video will be a combination of what happened in February and what is happening in March. Doesn't feel very March outside. It's cloudy and 30 degrees, but I still have iced coffee because caffeine is life. So without further ado, let's go see what they're up to in the shop. It is February work weekend. I'm in West Central and I'm starting off the day lapping a valve. For fun. No, it needs fixed. Try the gray stuff. It's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. Except I don't think I'd want to try that gray stuff. That looks gross. The purple coach is being de-purpled.
So when did you guys... Well, I always enjoy this.
There's all the siding. There's some people polishing rods.
Previously, we thought we would put a new barrel on this, but we talked to our consultant contractor, and they suggested doing a reinforced lap seam. So now I'm just I took some spot checks underneath the barrel with the UT this morning, and it looks fairly promising. So now I'm measuring the seam so we can figure out what the joint efficiency is.
Alright, 6 inches from
We're drawing a graph.
Yeah, or if you're good with the fork, well, no, the drilling is very much straight out.
Yeah, so you had the place to start.
Right.
Yeah. I've done both of them during the whole thing. It really sucks.
Yeah, you see a lot of it. I mean, you can do it, but it's just the timing.
I don't feel like doing it.
But that's just, I would say, they're not pounding. Well, it's been awesome getting cut off and nice and work. That is starting.
Jesse's moving seats. Kendall's making fire. It's too loud for Dave.
That's awesome. I'm not doing it now.
So what are you guys trying to do?
We're taking the smoke box off so we can take the tubes out of the tube. The smoke box is junk anyway.
Oh, he's got the goggles. Justin is working on drawing a grid.
Yep. Hard if I pass the spot.
So Jesse, why do we have to take the cab apart?
That's a double stable.
Because when you run 100-plus-year-old engines, things always happen.
check on the I got this guy. Right there.
Smoke box is off.
Roll it over to me and back that. Okay, can we get started the real project? Oh, yeah. The other side's probably...
Having fun down there, Justin?
Yeah.
Tell it how you really feel, Dustin. So it is a busy February work weekend. We have a team in the machine shop working on the electrical for one of the coaches. The purple one they tore apart last week. And then some of the guys are working on the Shay. There's a few things that need looked at after this past season of running. Then there's a large group working on the Choose boiler. They took the smoke box off. They're working on taking the flues out and graphing it to do an ultrasound. So lots of projects happening. They're also demoing the kitchen. Some second-hand appliances were sourced, so we're getting a new kitchen, which will make feeding volunteers a little easier, which will be very nice. Tubes.
This one. Hey, see it? Hey, go!
Oh my god, look at this thing here.
I know, it looks everywhere else. Good? Huh? Dan?
Okay, Kendall, what did you get?
3 injectors for the Mexican engine. That's the brake valve the Mexican engine should have. Independent the Mexican engine should have. Double check valves for the 2.
Jesse's already hard at work. It's not even 8 a.m. yet.
Morning.
Jesse, what are you doing?
Trying to get this bracket off.
Why are we getting the bracket off?
I said we need to get to that stable. It didn't.
How do you fit through that?
It was measured to my waist measurement. I want this to be known. Kendall literally took a tape measure, went to my waist, and said, yep, that'll work. There's a reason I have holes in the back of my pants now.
Justin is our boiler rat.
Boiler rat number 2. He's 1.
So we're spending a lot of this work weekend cleaning and getting the shop organized. We have a contractor coming in to bore and sleeve the 2 here in the next month or so. So just making sure everything's ready so that that can be a super smooth, easy process.
Same thing on the other side.
What are you working on, Lee?
I am putting the new speakers in for the new PA set in this coach.
Awesome. Better sound.
But they can't get the damn thing off.
I don't know how I got this far either.
We had to open the door for airflow. It's a little chilly. It's not warm. Dave is cleaning. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. Hopefully this was a nice recap of what we've done the last couple months at the railroad. Again, sorry there wasn't too much for March. We had a family thing Saturday, and then we ended up leaving, or we were gonna work on Sunday in the shop, but then this like nice little blizzard popped up, so we had to head home before it got too bad. But should be a lot of things happening in the next couple of months, and now we're starting to get into the warmer months, hopefully, which means the shop is usually a lot more active with projects going on. But yeah, we're working on getting the 2 ready so it can get surveyed to see if the boiler is a potential candidate for repairs. So I think a lot of people have had fun working on that, something different. But with that, I will see you in the next work weekend vlog. Keep on steaming.
I can't see anything at all, can you?
Why are you guys down there?
I'd say they're doing cards, but honestly, I don't know.
There's no cards. No cards. Yeah.
No, Will's got
Some real steel.
This is the most good a quarter has ever done.